Today I will show you science experiments. Candle needs air to burn. So let's start. The materials are matchsticks, candle and glass jar. For this experiment, first we have to take candle and light it up using the matchsticks. Place the jar. Now, after some time, you will notice that candle will blow off. See, friends? This was our experiment. So, friends, the explanation behind this experiment is, now I will tell you. Fire needs oxygen to sustain itself. The glass prevents fire from consuming the oxygen. Once the fire in the glass has consumed all the oxygen, the fire goes off. Thank you.